Yes, good evening everyone to the live trading session. I believe my voice and screen is clear enough. If my voice is audible and my screen is visible to you, make sure you just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough. Just an audio and visual check if my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough. Yes, hello, welcome everyone to the Trend Trading YouTube channel. So first of all, make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. I believe everyone have done it. So here, first of all, let's see. This is yesterday's video which I have uploaded about today's market, today's live market session. I have levels, trade entry, everything I uploaded yesterday, one day before. So let's see first of all what happened in this trade, whether we got any trade, how much we have managed to make, all that, and then we will move on to other things. So first of all, I have shared yesterday a level at 36,300 to 36,375. This was the level, and what I was expecting this yesterday. Okay, let me tell you, this is yesterday. This is all about yesterday's, about this video. Okay, first of all, whether what happened, whether target hit, profit book, loss, whatever happened. First, let me tell you about it, and then I will move on. About today's expected level. So yesterday I have updated about 36,300, 36,375 is the important level. If price gets a rejection, or if price crosses and gets the rejection at this juncture, what I want, I was expecting only two candle type. One candle type like this, price crossing and closing below the 36,300 mark. Another candle type was like this, crossing and clearly closing below 36,300 mark. So today, whether we got any trade, look at closely here. Let me zoom in and show you. Okay, here price came to this zone, the candle was not forming, came to this zone, no candle, price came to this zone, still the candle is not forming. Here the candle type which I wanted was only two candle. This is body of the candle is very bigger, or the candle type like this, wick of the candle is very big. Here we got a candle type, but here the wick is bigger than the body, so still not valid. Here at this junction, look at the candle type, same as the candle type which I was expecting, the candle type like this or like this. Okay, so here very simple trade, we got the candle type below this. I was taking short side trade, was my entry which I have told, and stop loss few points above this. I will how much was the stop loss? So entry was below 36,265, stop loss was 36,360. Okay, 90 points was the stop loss, and I have mentioned already my expected target is 200 points. Okay, 200 points is my target, 90 points was the stop loss. So that means 36,265 was somewhere was entry. So my target gets triggered somewhere around 36,065 to 36,070 levels. Okay, when I say 200 points, 5-10 points we are giving stop loss buffer here, so target buffer also should be given. So what price exactly, look at this, came to 36,069 levels at this candle. So 90 point stop loss, 200 points target which has got triggered. Same, let's look at what happened in the option. If you look at same thing in the option, here, look at the time of the candle. This was the candle where we got the entry. What is the time of the candle? 12:25. Same on the put option, 36,500 put option, same 12:25 candle. This is 12:25 candle. Okay. What is the entry above this candle line? That is around 560 was the entry. Stop loss was 505. So 55 points was the stop loss. Here till what point? It has went almost till 700. This candle was the target which got triggered. Same in future, if you check what was the time when the target got triggered, here this was the candle and it was exactly 1 p.m. candle. Same put option trading, 1 p.m. candle, the target got triggered. So entry was at 560, stop loss 505, and we got a target of 700. Here look at in option, 55 points stop loss, 140 points target. Okay, which was easily capturable in option and in future. This was as per yesterday's level, and one more level which I have shared, price rejecting this zone to take a buy side trade. But one more thing which I mentioned, the candle range should not be more than 160, 175. This candle range is more than 250 points, so the trade was not active here. Okay, so let's see first what is expected on tomorrow's trade plan. If you have traded, you have made money. If you have not traded, no problem. Okay, so tomorrow's important level, that is 36,280 to 36,350. Everything is Bank Nifty future level, 5-minute time frame chart. Let me repeat the level, 36,280 to 36,350. If price comes to the zone, gets a rejection, or price crossing the zone and gets a rejection at this juncture, again the same thing, what I want either the bearish candle like this closing below 36,280, or a rejection candle like this and closing below this 36,280. I'll be taking a short side trade or a put option trade below this candle low or below this candle low, whichever is forming. Stop loss few points above this. If I'm taking in future, 15 to 20 points. If I'm taking an option, 8 to 10 points is the stop loss. Same if this candle not exactly at the few points, 15 20 points buffer, and target here is 130 to 150 points is the minimum target which I'm getting in terms of Bank Nifty future levels from my entry point. Okay, the levels which is 36,280 to 36,350 is the level. Clear? And one more thing, this candle range should not be more than 170 plus point. If it is more than 170 plus point, I'll be avoiding. And moving on, one more level, 36,000, 35,890 to 35,820. If you are missing any levels after completing this YouTube live, you can rewind the session and you can watch. 35,890 to 35,820 is the level. If price comes to this zone, gets a rejection, or price crossing below it and gets a rejection, at this rejection juncture, what I want a bullish candle either like this or a bullish rejection candle like this. Simple. I'll be buying above this or above this candle, whichever is forming, placing stop loss few points below this, 15 20 points buffer in this one future. Okay, expected target is same, 140 to 150 points is the expected targets of when if the trade gets executed. Same thing, if the candle range is more than 170 points, I will be avoid entering the trade. Okay, similarly when it comes to Nifty, 17,170 to 17,210, this is the level. If price gets a rejection from this zone or crossing and getting a rejection at this juncture, simple thing, I'll be looking at a bullish candle formation either like this, or a bearish candle formation like this, or a rejection candle like this. Below this I will be entering my short side trade, or below this whichever is forming, stop loss few points below this, not exactly at the 8 to 10 points buffer. Target expecting here is 58 to 65 points is the minimum target I'm expecting. This is Nifty's future level. Clear? If you are late in the session, you can, after completing the session, you can rewind the video and you can watch it again, but make sure to note it down the level if you feel it useful. Okay, today in this today's session, as per yesterday's level which I have shared, Bank Nifty have managed to capture 200 points. Bank Nifty future in an option, we have managed to capture 140 points, which I have shown in the start of this video. Clear? These are the levels. Bank Nifty, tomorrow's expected plan, 36,280 to 36,350, level 1. 35,890 to 35,820 is the level 2. In Nifty, 17,170 to 17,210 is the level. Condition for entry, everything I have shared it already. Okay, clear? Any doubts? Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions to ask? Ask your questions in the chat box. If there is no question, I will end this session right now. Okay, I can see there is no questions to be addressed. So thank you so much. I believe the yesterday's level which I have shared, it was useful to you. You traders have made money. Thank you so much. I will end this session right now. Thank you.